Branding your commercial refrigerators with advertising stickers can make them stand out and help promote your business. We manufacture commercial refrigerators and offer a wide range of custom fridge stickers to choose from. Here we will show you how we turn your countertop or upright fridge into a powerful marketing tool. Remove the adhesive film from the back of the sticker. Clean the fridge body with soap and water. Apply soap and water to the adhesive side of the sticker. Apply the sticker with the four corners of the fridge and stick it. Use a scraper to remove any air bubble or water between the sticker and the fridge. If there are any stubborn air bubbles, we will use a utility knife to poke a small hole to release the air or water. Contact us now for more details.